Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, so you all know me by now. I go to these stores and I'm just minding my black magical business. Well, today I stumble into Sally Beauty and I find a gem. In case you didn't know, MoKnowsHair, hair artiste and YouTube extraordinaire, has launched her own collection with Sally Beauty. So MoKnowsHair has been in the natural hair game for quite some time. So with her being a licensed cosmetologist as well as a pretty well-known creator in the natural hair community, she created the MoKnowsHair Curl Collection. So this is a line of salon quality products with a simple approach to caring for all curl types and textures. The products technically aren't supposed to launch until October 1st, but my Sally Beauty actually had the entire line out before launch. The only two products that my Sally Beauty didn't have is the Curl Hydrator Shampoo as well as the Curl Restoring Treatment. My Sally Beauty did have the Scalp and Curl Clarifier, which is like a pre-poo scalp treatment. Also had the Curl Styling Potion, which is a 2-in-1 leave-in and styler with a soft hold. Had the Curl Setting Gel, which claims to tame frizz and define with a medium hold. Now let's go over the products from the line that I did pick up. So the first product that I picked up is the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner. So the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner claims that it removes light buildup and detangles. So this is for all curl types and textures. It says that you can use this 2-in-1 wonder to detangle, cleanse, and condition in one step, or condition curls after shampooing. The directions as a co-wash say to soak hair with warm water and apply in sections, detangle and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse and apply the curl primer or curl styling potion. As a rinse out conditioner, apply in sections, detangle and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse hair and apply curl primer or curl styling potion. The ingredients will be in the description box. I can already tell y'all now you're gonna be mad. So after I rinse the conditioner, I'm going to go in with the curl primer, which is a lightweight leave-in treatment. Pretty lightweight. This is also catered to all curl types and textures. It says that beautiful style starts with a solid foundation. Prep and prime your curls with this smoothing, hydrating treatment. Directions: apply to wet hair, evenly distribute and style with curl smoothing pudding, the gel or the potion from the line. So after the leave-in treatment, I'm going to go in with the curl smoothing pudding. This claims that it will hydrate with a medium hold. The directions say after the curl primer, apply to sections and style, air dry or sit under the dryer. So I have already shampooed my hair. Let me go ahead and section my hair off. Okay, so I'm finally finished twisting my hair. Don't ask me how many twists I have because I have no idea. As soon as I started twisting, I was swiftly reminded why I don't do twist outs. They just take entirely too long for me. I did style my hair on damp hair, but I do want to sit under the dryer just to kind of speed up the drying time. Also, let me mention that this smoothing pudding is leaving like little balls of residue on my hands. It's not going to pick up on camera, but hopefully it doesn't do that in my hair. I'm not seeing any in my hair right now, but I also don't have my glasses on. So I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer and I'll come back for the takedown. Okay, so I'm back from styling my hair and these are my final results. So after I shampooed my hair, I went in with the MoKnowsHair Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner. I applied this on pretty damp hair and I raked it through in sections just to make sure that I got it coated through all of the strands. It had pretty good slip and it felt really good going on. The texture of it really reminds me of hand lotion, but like a really, really loose one. So I went in and I applied the conditioner in sections and I was able to glide my fingers through my hair pretty easily. The slip was definitely there. With it having that kind of hand lotion type of texture, of course it went on my hair very smoothly. You could also see while I was applying it that it did kind of foam up as well. The product claims that it can be used as a co-wash or conditioner. I found that it wasn't really great for conditioning for me because when I rinsed out my hair did not feel moisturized at all and the slip kind of left. As I was running my hair under the water, my hair was kind of tangling back up on itself and that's not really what I'm looking for in a conditioner. So I would not recommend the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner as a conditioner. Maybe it will work better as a co-wash, but I didn't apply it to my scalp because my scalp was already cleaned from the shampoo. After I rinsed out the conditioner, I went in sections and I applied the curl primer, which is a super lightweight leave-in conditioner. I know that this won't be for everybody because of how lightweight it is, but this actually restored the moisture and the slip that I had prior. This was really good. If I could compare it to something, I would compare it probably to the As I Am castor oil water. You all know that I really love that and I love to use that to refresh my hair. I still haven't used it as a leave-in though. The mist was nice and even and it spread throughout my hair really easily. I was able to finger detangle even further and prep my hair for styling. I did apply this on damp hair, but this really penetrated my strands and really hydrated my hair. So this was a win. I really enjoyed using this. So once I applied the curl primer, I actually wrapped my hair in a t-shirt and let my hair dry down for about an hour or so. And then I went into style on damp hair with the curl smoothing pudding. I applied probably about a quarter size to each section and I did medium size twists. This also has that creamy kind of lotiony type of texture, but it's a little bit thicker. This was very moisturizing going on, but I felt as I was applying it that it was just kind of sitting and coating my hair. The curl smoothing pudding is a really thick and creamy product, but it definitely was loose enough to where I had a good bit of slip when I was applying it. Remember, I did apply this on damp hair. So I said previously when I applied the product that my hands definitely felt residue from the product. My hair also felt kind of coated and waxy, but I wanted to let this dry down to see if the product was going to penetrate my strands, give me great moisture, and give me definition without having that residue that I was feeling. I did notice when I was taking my hair down that I do have a little bit of flaking, but I don't think it's super noticeable. I will try to do a close-up to see if the flakes can pick up on camera, but if not, just take my word for it. Overall, my hair looks fine and it feels good. It feels nice and soft and hydrated. My hair definitely looks shiny and defined. I do want to mention, when I had my hair still in a twist, I definitely felt somewhat of a cast, so I can see why the product claims that it has a medium hold. But I'll have to see how this lasts throughout the next few days to see if the hold is actually medium. Based off how my hair feels, I will say that it does have a medium hold, but again, the real test is when we go outside. Overall, I wasn't really impressed by any of the products in the collection except the curl primer, so I would definitely recommend giving that a try. Even though it's really lightweight, it did give me great moisture and great slip and really helped me prep my hair for styling. Be sure to drop in the comments below and let me know your thoughts. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.